Out on this old patch of ground, nothing but weeds and coarse gravel, crabgrass and clover fighting just to see another day. But I scattered some seeds in the fall, no plow to tear it apart. Let the rain do its work and the microbes play their part. Those little bugs in the dirt started changing right away, fixing nitrogen, building crumbs where the hard pan used to lay. From bacteria running wild to the fungi coming slow, they're turning worthless dirt into something rich, don't you know? Oh, I love good soil, deep and dark and alive, full of worms and mycelium, helping my garden thrive. From the weeds that healed at first to the trees standing tall, soil succession made it sweet. That's why I love it all. Yeah, I love good soil. Lord, I love good soil. Years roll by with no tilling, just chopping, dropping weight. Perennials moving gently, opening up the gate. Now the ectomycorrhizae weave their network underground, connecting apple trees and oaks, passing sugar all around. In central New York winters, when the ground freezes hard, that living soil remembers and keeps my food forest warm. No chemicals, no trouble, just nature running free. From barren weed patch to bounty, that's what good soil means to me. Oh, I love good soil, deep and dark and alive, full of worms and mycelium, helping my garden thrive. From the weeds that healed at first to the trees standing tall, soil succession made it sweet. That's why I love it all. Yeah, I love good soil. Lord, I love good soil. It ain't just dirt beneath my boots, it's the heartbeat of this land. Every handful holds a story of how life began again. I plant for my grandkids, watch the layers build so fine. This soil's my legacy, rich, black, and mine. Oh, I love good soil. Yeah, I love good soil. From the pioneer weeds to the forest that won't spoil. It feeds my family, holds the rain, and gives me peace of mind. Thank God for soil succession and the love I've come to find. Yeah, I love good soil. This here's my dirt, and it's getting better.